This is mukbangers. Oh my god. Okay, let's react to this. This is called mukbangers, making the weirdest noises while eating. Oh, the weirdest noises. All right. Let's check it out. Mukbangers.
Obviously a really messy mukbang. So.
Bro, that's seafood. I'm hungry right now, bro.
Yeah. I really like that. Oh my god.
Closer. Yeah, she's going crazy.
Closer. Then we'll start whispering here. Okay.
Oh. What the hell? What is this? No way, bro.
We're gonna start whispering. Let's try this again. Are you ready? Let's try this. This is Burger King's new bacon.
Oh my god. It's nasty.
Sandwich.
Oh, bro.
It's gonna be so good. Look at that. Like beautiful. Oh boy.
Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh my god. This is nasty. Oh, I've lost my appetite though. Oh my god.
Oh shit. 연합니다.
Is he coming or something? Oh, bro. Oh, this raw fish, bro. I don't fuck with this raw fish. Raw fish. I don't fuck. I don't eat raw fish, bro. All these sushi things.
소스가 필요하지.
I eat only cooked one, bro.
뭔지 모르겠지만
To avoid all this virus and all these diseases, bro.
Caesar
What is
dressing.
that? Caesar dressing? Oh, bro. Watch this guy's mouth. It's so big. Oh, chill out, bro. Chill. Roblox.
Cheese. Yes, I do. Cheese. I love cheese.
What are you doing?
I love cheese. Oh, this looks so good. And very cheesy. here we go. Cheers. I'm so excited.
No, I'm not gonna eat this, bro.
Oh. Oh my God. You have to be kidding me. Oh my God.
No, bro, this is disgusting. Just for real.
I'm gonna install.
Are you kidding me right now? Oh my God.
That is so much better.
Bro, there's something wrong with this guy. There's something wrong, bro. There's something wrong somewhere.
Life is good. Let's try my burger. Are you ready for it? Ooh. Ow. That has hot sauce in it.
Oh my gosh, I'm just salivating right now. Okay. First bite. Oh
Bro,
my God.
anytime they buy this, they'll just oh,
I mean,
they're just gonna come, bro. What the heck?
Oh crap. Oh crap. That's so freaking good. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Too much of this is not good, bro. It's not good at all.
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Is this a waffle? This is not a pancake. I don't think so. It's a waffle. Really? That necessary? Well, some people are, they're crazy. Some people are crazy, bro. For real. I'm just saying. What is shit trying to do? Really? That's annoying.
The fun begins. Okay.
No, let's see.
So far, I like it. Like from my first bite.
Bro, this girl can
Yum.
eat a lot of seafood.
Really good. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, suck it up. Oh. Damn. Oh my gosh. No, That's a lot of food right here. That's a lot of food going on.
Damn. That's really good. It's so weird though. I don't know why. Even though I'm really enjoying it, it's just so... It's still so, like, weird to me, you know?
Ah, nice skills. Oh, bro.
And obviously, guys, you know,
I
if it
don't
drips a
think
little
this
bit into
doesn't
the
even
sauce,
need
that's
any
okay
skills
because
to eat,
I'm
bro.
the only one eating
Doesn't
from
even need
this
any skills.
ever.
Just put it in your mouth anyhow you want. Bro. Look at, oh my God. Girl, what are you doing, bro? Take it easy. It's just a food. This is not the end of the world. Hell no. Really? This is weird. That's really weird. What kind of banana is that? This is white banana or brown banana? What the fuck? Ah, yeah. Is that the way you do it? That's the way you do it? Are we good? Nah, it is not okay. She's not okay. Bro, I'm just telling you. That's nasty, bro. Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh.